Welcome back to the shop. Look over my shoulder. What is that? That is a crate from Baumalight. Now, notice, Baumalight didn't send me anything. We're not working together. I paid for this with my own money, and I'm just excited to have a new toy to play with. Back to the show. So over my shoulder, you will see an S14 stump grinder to go on the front of my mini skid steer. So I am super excited to tear into this, see what it looks like, and try it out. Oh my goodness, I just have so much I'm excited about with this. So let's get right into it. Let's tear this open, see what all we have in the box, and then in the end I'll come back to you and I'll tell you why I chose the Baumalight over some of the other options that are out there in the market space. Let's get in. You know, looking at this thing, it is really nicely packaged. It's got a wood frame on it. It's all wrapped in plastic to keep it dry, nice, stretched, probably shrink wrapped, I don't know. That's just awesome. Here's what's so cool about their packaging. The cross member here for rigidity, it's perfectly spaced and Baumalight is stuck to it. Oh, it's a sticker. Look at that, it's a sticker. Well, that's cool. I was about to give them some props that their shrink wrap was perfectly aligned, but cheat code. All right, let's open this up. First, look at my brand new Baumalight S14 mini skid steer stump grinder. Nice, a catalog. Please spend more money with Baumalight, written right on the front of it. Isn't that great? We are actually going to use the Persuader 5000 to get into this. If you don't know what the Persuader 5000 is, one moment and I will show you. Do you ever have something that just needs a little persuasion? Let me introduce you to the Persuader 5000. Look at that. Little to no effort, the Persuader 5000 can open the most difficult of crates. Oh my goodness, look how easy. All thanks to the Persuader 5000. Okay, looks like I do have a couple of screws over here to get some plate off of it. And interesting, it's a square bit. Wow, well there we go folks, look at that. It fits perfectly with the attachment plate. Really nice job there. I mean, that's just really nicely built. Look at these gorgeous hoses built up here, very nice. Look at the trick, look at the trick. Red zip tie. Oh yes, that was so they knew which one went where. Ha ha, look at the trick. Red zip tie marking their hoses. Baumalight must have watched my video. I'm joking, they're smarter than I am. And that's gonna be our connection points right there. Looks like our hose is perfectly long enough. Motor specifications. So this is the S250. They make two models of this. This is the slower, lower flow model for the Kymron XTL30. It does not have the most powerful auxiliary pump. So I chose the slower flow because it would be better aligned. This pump can take up to 16 gallons a minute. Standard is 8 to 14. This machine should be putting out about 12. So this should be right in line with where this machine will perform best. But just to be honest, Kymron has a slower pump in their machine. All right, now this should have some extra teeth with it. Let's see what we have. All right, so in our container, oh, what do you know? A pair of safety glasses. Excellent, I agree. And a 6-pack of the H3000 replacement teeth. Nice, thank you. And then a beautiful May 2025 S14 black and white instruction manual for this. But if you want to buy something else, we've got a beautiful color catalog for you to spend money. But once you've spent money, you get black and white. Little specifications on this: made in Canada, so it's made with beer and syrup. So there you go. This is manufactured by Baumalight, as you would probably expect. MTB Manufacturing in Canada, and weighs 240 pounds. Has an 18-inch diameter cutting wheel, and it's 8 to 14 gallons per minute. Max is 16 gallons per minute. Max is also 3,000 PSI. So good in all of that. Got a nice pin here. Probably want to get another one of those to put on this side for extra strength and rigidity. You have greasable pins right here. So grease, and more grease. Always make sure you grease your equipment and your machines. Let me read some paperwork. I'll tell you what I find out. And I think we need to put this thing in some wood. All right, read the manual. It is like 5 pages of information on the S14. How to change a tooth, when to change a tooth, how to change a tooth holder, proper torque specs, all good stuff. How to change the coupler, awesome stuff. And then 20-something pages of making sure you have your safety stickers on the device and where all the safety stickers go. So, okay, I want to try this thing out, but I have to get some safety gear on. I need to not do it in shorts and tennis shoes. I need to make sure that I'm dressed accordingly, have safety glasses and everything. So I will get a full video of my first use of this. I've got a ton of stumps. I am so excited. I'm tickled pink about this, trying to figure out the best way to attack a stump. You know, how do you do that? I don't know. I'll figure that out. Never used a stump grinder before, especially anything like this. But hey, so why did I buy Baumalight? Well, I'll be really serious with you. There is a guy on YouTube who has a landscaping company, and he has a Toro model similar to this. And I've watched a lot of his videos, and I really like that design. He has an older Vermeer model mini skid steer, and he just speaks highly about the stump grinder and all the stuff that he's done with it and how much he likes it. So just the style was a blazing endorsement. Baumalight's something I've looked at for a while. It has a good reputation. Folks seem to like it. So I decided, hey, Baumalight's trusted. They're built in Canada. I like the fact that it's on the continental United States. It's in our North American hemisphere, and I just trust them. I think they probably build good stuff. They have a lot of different products they make. They're not new to the industry, and I like them. Okay, that's why I bought it. I couldn't find anything like this in the auction set or readily available from Chinese imports. All the American manufacturers have this though. Toro has one like this. Rut Manufacturing has one like this. Skid Pro has one like this. Baumalight obviously has one like this. And so I thought there's some validity to this design. I know I have a slower pump on my machine, so I wanted to make sure I bought something in that proper specifications. Baumalight met that mark as well. So I put all that together and thought, well, the price was reasonable. So this unit, when you buy it from a distributor, I happened to find one that had decent shipping. I looked at one and the shipping was almost as much as the unit was, and so that didn't make sense. Found one in Texas that had reasonable shipping, and here we go. A week and a half later, it's made it from Canada to Oklahoma. So I'm super excited. So that's the who, what, when, why, and how on this. Let me get my proper safety gear on, and we'll go put this in some wood and see how it works. I think that did pretty good for a first time using a stump grinder in this setup. By the way, I didn't tell you, there's a grease cert here and there's one on the other side. You have to grease those up, and I did. I did it off camera. Everything held together. That was not a really fresh stump, thank goodness. As you saw, a lot of it just broke off. But that's been here now for a year or two. It's nice to get rid of it. So hey, thumbs up. I have to learn what I'm doing. This is a new thing for me. But I'm gonna say this is a win. Only one stump in, many to go. But so far, I feel pretty good about my Baumalight S14 Stump Grinder. So we'll bring you more videos. Hope you have a great day. If you're not a subscriber, please click that subscribe button for me. If you have a comment, tell me what you think. What could I do better? If you have something like this, how can I learn from you? Please leave that comment down below. I'd appreciate it. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.